Hello friends, now we will study third type of blood relations questions which are termed as coded relations. In such questions, the relationships are represented by certain specific codes or symbols such as plus, minus, hash, etc. It is further classified into two categories. The one in which candidate is required to analyze some given codes to determine the relationship between a set of persons. And in the second type, a candidate is required to express a given relationship in the coded form. Now let's have an example on the first type of coded relations, in which we need to analyze given codes and determine the relationship between a set of persons. The language of this example says that A plus B means A is the son of B, A minus B means A is the wife of B, A into B means A is the brother of B, A division B means A is the mother of B, and A is equal to B means A is the sister of B. Now based on this information, we are required to answer a question which says that what does P plus R minus Q mean? And the options available for this are: option A is given that Q is father of P, option B, Q is son of P, option C, Q is uncle of P, and option D, Q is brother of P. Now first we will take P plus R and draw relationship tree for this. As A plus B was given that A is the son of B, here P plus R would mean P is the son of R. So we would first write R with no sign, as we don't know whether R is a male or female, and put a downward arrow towards P as P is the son of R. We will put a plus sign above P as he is a male. Next we will take R minus Q, and from the given information we know that A minus B means A is the wife of B, so here R minus Q would mean R is the wife of Q. And if R is wife, then we will put a minus sign above R as she is a female. And Q, who is the husband of R, so we will put a plus sign above Q. And now we will put R and Q in square bracket as they are married couple. And this is a relationship tree. Now we would check for correct options among the given options. The first option says that Q is father of P. And from this tree we can see that R is mother of P and Q is husband of R, which means that Q is father of P. Therefore, first option is true, which is a required answer. Now let's have an example based on second type of coded relations, in which we need to express a given relationship in the coded form. Let's first note the information provided in this example, which is $B means A is brother of B, A@B means A is wife of B, A#B means A is daughter of B, and A#B means A is father of B. And what we need to find here is which option indicates K is father-in-law of H. The options available are option A, H@J $, L#, P £, K. Option B, H@J $, P £, L#, K. Option C, H@J $, L#, K £, P. Option D, H@P $, J £, L#, K. And option E, none of these. Now instead of drawing tree for all these options, we will apply elimination method here, wherein we would eliminate those options in which K is coming at the end. So the options in which K is coming at the end are option A, option B, and option D. Therefore we can eliminate these options. And we have eliminated such options because if K comes at the end of the code, then it is not possible to determine the gender of K. And if we are unable to determine the gender of K, then how we can say that K is father-in-law of H? Dear friends, please make a note here. There are two exceptional cases in elimination method. The first case is we can't eliminate the option where the last person is either wife or husband of the previous person. As in this case, we can determine the gender of the last person. For example, if there had been @ symbol before K in any one of these options, then we wouldn't have eliminated that option. Since A@B means A is wife of B. So the last person is husband, therefore he is male. Now the second case is if the order of the relationship in the given code is from right to left, then also we can determine the gender of the last person. For example, in this question, $A means A is brother of B. But if vice versa of this was given, that is B is brother of A, then we could determine the gender of the last person. So please keep in mind the order of the relationship, whether it is from right to left or from left to right. Hence for these two cases, we would not eliminate the options. Now we are left with two options, which are C and E. So let's first take option C and check whether it is true or not. For this, we will prepare blood relation tree for option C. So let's take first link of option C, that is H@J, which means that H is wife of J. So let's take H with minus sign as she is wife and J with plus sign as he is husband. And as they are husband and wife, so we will put them in square bracket. Now second link is $L, which means J is brother of L. So we will take L with no sign as we are not sure about its gender, and we will put J and L in curly bracket as they are siblings. Next link is L#K, which means L is daughter of K. So we can put minus sign on L as she is a daughter. We know that J is brother of L. So J and L are offsprings of K, and we will take K one generation above J and L. Now the last link is K#P, which means K is father of P. And if K is a father, then we will take plus sign with K, and he is father of P, so we will take P with J and L with no sign as we are not sure about the gender of P. And from the downward arrow, we can show that K is father of J, L and P. As H is wife of J and K is father of J, therefore we can say that K is father-in-law of H. And as this tree satisfies the given relation, therefore we can mark option C as our answer. And now we are done. Wasn't it simple?